Another Project Wednesday. So we're going on to task number 2. Tree planting. Your Earth Club's first task is to help the town plant new trees. Let's take a look at where they will be planted. The town has hired your Earth Club to do all of the new tree planting around town. You'll be planting trees in the following areas: Main Street, 30 trees; Fifth Avenue Park, 65 trees; Community Playground, 18 trees; Bike Trail, 75 trees; Town Campground, 100 trees. So you're going to record the trees on the bar graph right here, based off the information I just read off. Then you have some questions. So number 1, altogether, how many trees will you plant around town? Altogether is an action word. It's telling you a specific operation that you're going to have to do. Number 2, how many more trees will be planted at the town campground than at the community playground? Again, there's an action word in there telling you what operation you should be doing. The tree seedlings come in crates of 50. How many crates will you need in all? You'll need to make a plan for tree planting. Let's see how long it will take at each location. So for Main Street, it will take an hour. Fifth Avenue Park, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Community Playground, 35 minutes. Bike Trail, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Town Campground, 3 hours. Think fast. If a tree in your front yard was planted 100 years ago, in what year was it planted? We'll go with that being an optional question. You don't necessarily have to answer. Okay, so use the chart above to solve the problems. You begin planting at the community playground at 9:08. At what time do you finish? Use the number line to show your answer, then draw the hands on the clocks to show the start and end times. Okay, so again, we're looking at the community playground, so that's 35 minutes. If you're starting at 9:08, it's still going to be 9 something. So hopefully you should give me the start time, and then you're coming up with the end time. Suppose that you begin planting at the town campground at noon. Once you finish, it takes 20 minutes to get your supplies over to Fifth Avenue Park, where you will plant next. At what time do you finish at Fifth Avenue Park? Okay, so they're asking quite a bit. So you're starting at noon, and then you're going to do town campground. So that's going to take you 3 hours. Then you're going to have 20 minutes to get all the stuff to Fifth Avenue Park. And Fifth Avenue Park will take you 1 hour and 45 minutes to actually get done. And that's the time they want. So that's one of those multi-step problems. Altogether, how long does it take to plant all of the trees? So I think they're not talking about this 20 minutes that they put in here. They're just asking you to look at the time required from the table to figure out that last answer.